Hello and welcome to Top and Best in Everything. We are back with another amazing video for you. It's not possible to create site every time when you are promoting multiple product. In that case, best way to land your traffic is create landing page. That's why today we will talk about best landing page builder services. But before we start the video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We bring best content for you every day. With that being said, let's start today's video. 1. Wishpond. Wishpond is a complete suite for your online marketing needs. It helps you to attract visitors by building and publishing eye-catching landing pages and also converts them into leads. This is done through a variety of tools Wishpond offers to its users, but also a number of handy third-party integrations covering software such as Salesforce, Highrise, Insightly, MailChimp, Getresponse, AWeber, Salesforce IQ, Base CRM, and many other apps. Wishpond has gained much popularity in a short time period due to its amazing and useful features. As a matter of fact, it includes more than a dozen applications to fulfill online marketing needs. Wishpond allows you to easily make your website SEO friendly without spending much in terms of time and money. For using Wishpond, you do not need to have any technical know-how because its user interface is simple and easy to understand. Wishpond's customers witnessed achieving an increase of successful leads after using it for their websites. Wishpond offers multiple tools to enhance your online marketing efforts. It lets you integrate different features on your website to make it attractive for visitors. You can build and publish mobile responsive pages in minutes and integrate different forms with them. These forms pop up when a visitor is on the landing page. You can easily run contests and promotions on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms with Wishpond. Also, it helps you to send personalized emails to the leads. It offers efficient lead management system which monitors a lead's activity on the website. This activity is later used to create a list which online marketers use to track their leads' behavior. Lead management is the main feature of Wishpond as it offers multiple ways not only to attract leads but to keep them busy with product-related feed. Just as the website visitor knows more about your product or shoots an inquiry to ask a question, an invisible relationship develops between you and the customer. With each minute spending on your website, the visitor is more and more convinced to buy from you. This willingness is monitored through navigational patterns of the lead which are recorded by Wishpond. Online marketers are using Wishpond to increase conversion rate and track activity on their websites. This analytics helps them to understand their leads and can also be used to identify areas where more marketing effort is needed. Interested users are invited to make use of the company's training materials or contact support to learn how to maximize the product's potential. I think Wishpond is one of best landing page builder out there in market. It provides all the services you need as digital marketer or blogger. You can start with 14 days free trials, so use it and check it by yourself. Link will be in the description. 2. Landigi. Landigi is a landing page service that combines a traditional landing page editor with a lead generation service, with good results in our opinion. This professional marketing tool deploys an excellent editor to create your custom landing pages, although for a beginner user the system may look a little complicated, but the landing pages you get with it are really good looking and very professional. Of course, one of the main reasons you may want to set up a landing page is to collect data from your users, starting from their email address to more specific data, depending on your industry, and Landigi has many different forms you can use. Please remember every privacy regulation where your service or product is available. You can, of course, integrate Landigi with a lot of different services, like a CRM with which processing your customers' data or an email marketing platform to stay in touch with them. Furthermore, Landigi gives you complete analytics, presented in a straightforward and attractive way. You have then to optimize your campaigns and pages to convert. Landigi has very good selection of modern-looking templates that look as though they would convert well. If you want to try their services, you can start with 14 days free trials, link will be in the description. 3. Getresponse. Getresponse has been around for quite some time now. It started in 1997 and it is still provide one of best email marketing service till date. Getresponse is not just email marketing service. It also provide amazing landing page builder. That's why we introduced it in today's video. Getresponse allows you to create a mailing list and capture data on it. You can send emails to the subscribers on your mailing list, automate your emails to subscribers via use of autoresponders. You can view and analyze statistics related to your email campaigns, open rate, click-through, forwards, etc. In recent years, however, Getresponse has shifted its emphasis considerably. The product now aims to be more of an all-in-one e-commerce and online marketing solution, rather than a conventional email marketing tool. Its email marketing service remains one of the finest in the industry. Getresponse helps to build beautiful emails for your subscribers. You can choose pre-designed email templates. Instead of creating a design from scratch, just select which template you'd like to use for your email campaign. You can preview the template first and see if it matches the appearance and feel you're looking for in your email. To help you make searching for the right template much easier, show only templates from the category that fits your needs best. Getresponse's list management feature helps you achieve this by first segmenting and adding conditions to your subscribers. For example, you can segment groups of people who signed up using a different form, with a specific message on your site. More on this later. Once you have created a segment for them, you can create a personalized campaign for this segment that they can receive from you. This way, you make your interactions with each of your segments more dynamic and personal to help increase engagement, if not conversions. Sign-up forms, transaction email, landing pages, webinars, conversion funnel, website builder and many more. Getresponse is truly all-in-one tool in email marketing, and you can start with all this tool for 30 days free trial. Is it very amazing offer for such useful tool? So what are you waiting for? Start your Getresponse journey today. Link will be in the description. 4. Be free. B stands for the best email template builder and editor. The email editor originated from MailUp, a popular Italian especially. B is a handy email editor, where users can use pre-built free responsive email templates, which you can use as landing page. You can create your own look and feel using the built-in content and structural email blocks and elements. B's application allows users to choose the width of column structures from a specific selection, which is handy and efficient. You can't nest columns into each other, which keeps you from doing very complex layouts. B Free is completely free to use. The email template editor saves the current project in the browser storage. So when you come back, you can directly resume editing again or start a new one. You can export in a zip file that contains the HTML plus images and use it in your own email marketing software. You can easily upgrade to their B Pro package, which gives you more templates, a review, comment and approve functionality, multi-user support with permission controls, brand styles and settings in an agency plan. You also get a login where you can save multiple email projects for future use using B Pro. They have plugins there that connect directly with the email marketing software like MailChimp, SendGrid, HubSpot and its alternatives, etc. B has a full catalog of free email templates. This means free professionally designed templates for everyone. And they look pretty slick, so worth checking out. If you are interested, you can check the link in the description. 5. ClickFunnel. ClickFunnels is a service that simplifies the creation of sales funnels, or tools that enable entrepreneurs to scale their businesses by attracting targeted leads and turning them into customers. What sets them apart from competitors is that they give you everything you need to attract visitors, turn those visitors into leads, and convert those leads into customers, and then follow up. If you know what you're doing, you can set this up to be automatic. That means your sales funnels are growing your company 24/7 while you're sleeping, eating, traveling, and focusing on other things. Marketing aside, you really can build your own sales funnels very quickly with little to no tech experience. Maybe not in minutes, like the company claims, but easily in under an hour for basic funnels. That's not bad at all, considering this funnel will theoretically grow your business while you sleep. This was our list for today. All the landing page builders we have talked about provide free trails, so you can easily start with them and try their services by yourself. All the links of websites will be in the description, so don't forget to check it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.